So guys, today I'll be teaching you how to get a free Profem account. Remember, it's a free Profem account. You don't have to spend any money to get this Profem account. You just have to work for it. You just have to work for it because it's going to be coming in free. You're not going to spend any dime because as you can see, a Profem account, for the minimum Profem account you can see is at least $40 to $50 for a 5k Profem account. The 10k Profem account is about $100 for it. So guys, you don't have to spend a dime purchasing this Profem account. Now, in case you are new to this channel, my name is Forex and I teach about Forex updates and how to make money online. If you are new here, kindly like this video, share to whoever you would know that would like to see this video to get a free Profem account, and follow the channel for more tips and updates like this. Now let's dive right into the video. Now, to get this free Profem account as a beginner, to fund the beginner's account is difficult because we're just starting in the game and we are not really fixated on our strategy. So the chances that of we blowing our account is very high. So in order for us to avoid losing much of our money, what we have to do is to get a free Profem account. Now, to get this free Profem account, what we have to do is first of all register in a free competition. They are paid competition, guys, and they are free competition. What you have to do is to register in the free competition, guys. It's easy. There are no charges. There are no commission to it. All you have to do is just to register in a free competition. Is that a free competition for you to register is a prop firm trade firm account. So there are prop firms out there that registers, that do monthly competitions, weekly competitions for traders. Free registration. Some are paid, some are free. So all you have to do is to look for a prop firm that provides monthly competition, guys. Monthly competition. All you have to do is to look for that prop firm, then register for their competition, then trade that competition monthly. If you are good enough by testing your trading skills, because as you're a beginner, you don't even know how your skills are performing. So if you are good enough by testing your trading skill, you'll be able to make it to top 100 in that list. Making it top 100 in that list guarantees you an account, a Profem account. So that's how I got this account over here that I showed you guys in my previous video. That's how I got that account, by registering in these prop firms account. I did it for over a year plus before I was able to get my account, before I was able to use my strategy to get my account. So there's a strategy I use in getting this account. As a beginner, you are not going to get this account, but there's a strategy I use in getting this account. So, but I don't want you guys to try it out. And I think I'll be showing you guys my strategy in my next video, or I'll be giving you guys a material on how to use my strategy to make this happen, for you to be able to get the result I got from implementing the same strategy, guys. So that's it, guys. That's how to get a free Profem account. There's no gatekeeping here, no more doubts about it. All you have to do is just to register in a prop firm monthly competition account or a weekly competition account, guys. That's all you have to do as a beginner to get a free prop firm account. It's legit, it's free. In case you are still interested in this and you want to get more information, just ask me your question in the comment section. Tell me whatever. If you need mentorship on this, just let me know. If you need me to guide you, so you just ask me a question and I will give you an answer directly into the question. I'll give you an answer directly to the question. So I think I'll be making another video on the registration directly for the prop, like the step-by-step guide in registering for the prop firm. I'll make another video in that one, for that one specifically. In case you need that video urgently, just tell me in the comment section and I will drop that video for you guys. So I will see you guys in my next video.